This is Egyptian Little Cars. My name is player 961. My name is player 961 the second. I play 961 the second. Player 961 the second. 2ND. 961 2ND. I play 961 the second or object 961 the second or player 961 the second. There's player 961 the first, but that's for another video. That's all you'll see in another video. And I'm going to be the commentating. This is a special video. Rockets. Rockets. These are the rockets against airplanes. We're all airplane little cars here. You can see. We're all airplanes. You can see. I'm an airplane Egyptian little car. There's one. First airplane is Sing 976. My name is Sing 976. I'm an airplane. We're all airplane little cars. I'm Sing 965. Sing 965. Sing 965 the second. That's Sing 961 the second. And I'm Sing 965 the second. I'm Sing 967 the second. And I'm Sing 948 this. I'm Sing 948, but I'm the second this time. Assalamualaikum. Well, I do have triangle eyes. I don't want to be other weird signs. I have triangle eyes. Me, I have one eye only, a small one. Anyway, me, I have two eyes, but they're white. You see, some of us don't even have the pupils, like him. He have the black part of the eye. Some of us don't have black part of the eye. Some of us, our eyes are all white. We look a bit creepy, but still, for us, it's natural. Oh yes, how about me? You forgot me. I'm seeing 946. Saying 946. That's me saying 946. Anyway, my name is Sing 946. Sing 946. That's me. I'm also an airplane. Sing 946. That's me. I'm an airplane, of course, like the other Egyptian cars. Anyway, let's play Sing 44, object 44, or player 44, and player 33, object 33, or Sing 33, and Sing 38, or player 48, or player 38, or object for 38. And everyone seems to be voting for the aeroplanes. No one's voting for the rockets. There's only two rockets. That is Sing 97. My name is Sing 97, or player 97, or object 97, and that's Sing 98, or player 98, or object 98. This is rockets versus airplane, but the problem is only two airplanes are gonna go. The other two are gonna be voting. Okay, look, you not there can vote for rockets, okay? I vote for rockets as well. Okay, those three play 33, play 44, and play 30, and Ismail vote for rockets, and us leftover rockets are gonna vote for the rockets again. Yes, this is two rockets versus two airplanes. Actually, let's make it one rockets player 97 versus player 946. Ready, steady, go! Player 946 started. Oh no, but rockets have to do 10, 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and they're already off. And it looks like the rockets in the lead. Player 97 is in the lead, but Sing 946 is catching up. What's going on? No, where did he come out from? Keep talking, huh? And look, wow!
Sellotape, thank you.
And look, wow, he's in the lead.
Hey guys,
look.
has everyone got sellotape?
Yes, actually, I've got sellotape.
Thank you.
Morning.
Alright, thanks for the sellotape.
Who's going to commentate?
Me.
And he's kicking the ball and... No, that's not commentating. That's football commentating. You gotta do real commentating.
And they're throwing the tennis ball.
It's too late, so already. Well, we got no heel. It was me, of course. Gotta admit, it was player 97.
Alright, boys, take him away.
Okay, well, against 0. Oh, thank you, morning. I'll play 98. Now next option, Lil Car Me, the one with the triangle eyes.
Right,
Sing Nigel 48.
Guys, I got a question.
Now it's me against
It's
me.
something weird. Why is your mouse trying?
What do you mean? That's my mouse. I got smiley. You can see that there.
What's this?
I got a commentate. Go
Okay,
on.
oh, you were commentating.
Okay.
Alibaba said, "Open sesame, open."
That's not even commentating. You
Okay.
what?
And they're funny. And
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
and the rocket already lost.
No, what? Wait a second.
Boys, can you take
The
him away?
rockets won once, and the airplanes won
Boys, can you
once.
take him
That
wa-
means
can you take him
it's-
away?
Oh no, the airplanes won one, the rockets won once. It's a tie. It's a tie.
I think that we give I thought we give that golden cup thing as
The
a
trophy.
a trophy as the reward, not a tie. A tie.
No,
for
a
you
tie,
at
the one
school.
that we won. No, not the way that managers wear. Sorry, it's a tie.
I know it's a tie. You like my tie?
No, you are not a manager. You're not wearing a tie. It's a tie. Airplanes and rockets both won.
It's a tie. Then if you tied or not.
Subscribe.